Bank and credit union executives trust the lab to document their financial institutions in unprecedented detail. Our template-based approach, rooted in our IP knowledge base, accelerates current state process mapping, paving the way for improvements, AI, and automation. In this video, we'll see how this looks for one of the most complex processes in your entire financial institution, consumer lending. Here's an actual end-to-end process map for consumer lending, which can be created for you by the lab in just 6 to 8 weeks. As you can see, it spans all the phases, from application intake to underwriting, document prep, closing, and post-close. Check out this dashed line. It visually separates activities which happen in the front office above it from the activities in the back office below it. This is extra helpful because in this example, you can see how direct lending intake happens in the front office, while indirect lending intake, such as you receive from car dealerships, happens in the back office. The process map shows every activity, who performs it, and how long it takes them, plus every decision point, system used, customer touchpoint, and required documents. Each current state process map from the lab also spotlights in red boxes like these what we call NIGO. That stands for not in good order and means things like unnecessary rework, redundancy, or overservice, which should be reduced or eliminated. Common root causes of NIGO in consumer lending include contacting the dealership to collect missing documents from indirect loan applications, contacting the borrower to collect missing information during application evaluation and assignment, lack of standardized checklists for risk assessment during underwriting, errors and corrections during document prep, extra follow-up with the loan processor during closing, and even updating of documents post-close. But there's also good news. Every process map from the lab includes opportunities shown in green boxes like these for introducing AI and automation into the process. For consumer lending, let the lab help you automate activities such as creating final loan package materials during document prep, borrower and dealership email follow-up, uploading signed closing documents to the document imaging system, dispersing the funds to the borrower, updating funded loans in the LOS or loan origination system, boarding the loan to the core, and more. Along with your current state process map, you also get a best practice future state template like this one drawn from the lab's industry-leading knowledge base. For each phase of consumer lending, it includes best practice outputs for standardization, automation, and AI. You also get a best practice comparison to see how your bank or credit union stacks up against each best practice. Here, it's divided into typical, better, and best with callouts for areas that require the most urgent attention. The bank in this example has lots of specific opportunities to improve consumer lending, such as improving prospect segmentation during targeting, eliminating free-form text entry fields during data intake, standardizing pricing processes during underwriting, automating data entry and communication during funds disbursement, and many others. Transform your bank or credit union with the power of process mapping and best practice improvement. To book your demo, contact the lab today.